This is so awkward. Everything's good. Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Danielle and today I'm going to show you how to make coasters using your favorite photos. This project is super easy, so even the most novice DIYers can attempt this one. Let's kick things off and find our materials. For this project, you'll need a foam brush. You can also use a bristle brush, but the foam texture gives you the best results. You'll need Mod Podge, dishwasher safe so that it's a little water resistant, 4x4-inch tiles. I chose these vinyl pieces from Home Depot because it already has this rubber backing, so I don't have to worry about scratching my tables. If you choose a stone or ceramic style tile, I definitely suggest getting a really thin layer of cork to put on the bottom so that you don't scratch your tables. And finally, you'll need your photos. So you can get really creative with this. I made these in Photoshop for my roommates, and they kind of go with our decor in our apartment. But you can use any photos you want. A lot of places will print in this 4x4 setup, but if not, you can get a 4x6 and just trim it down to fit. So let's get crafting. So we start with our tile, open up your Mod Podge, and take a thin layer, nice and thin. Make sure you don't have a ton of extra because it'll take forever to dry. And just go right over the top. Make sure you get those corners because you don't want them to come up. And then taking a photo and just placing it on, nice and even with those edges, pressing it down to make sure there's no bubbles. And then taking some more Mod Podge and going over the top. You're gonna make sure you get all of these tricky corners as well to make sure that there's no flare-ups on the sides. And this is where using the foam brush comes in handy because it gets rid of all those weird marks that a bristle brush would make. And then set it aside to dry and start your next one. All in all, this is a pretty cheap project. We have our tiles were a free sample, Mod Podge, the photos, and the foam brush at 99 cents. So this whole project was around $8. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I think I'm done.